Right, folks, I've got a question for you. Are you this guy, or do you want to be the guy? The fact remains, if you're going to be puzzling, filling diesel, the old school way, the inefficient way, the messy way, the non-environmentally friendly way, then you shouldn't be watching this. Who in their right mind wants to put a funnel in, pop an old jerry can, and look like they're busy and dislocate their back while they're decanting and spilling and messing up their pants? Seriously, phone fuel proof, we've got the right thing for you. Check this out. 110 liters of robust perfection. This is our Caddy tank. It's 110 liters of diesel. It's got a ribbed inside for strength. It's got plastic wheels for durability and to pull it over uneven surfaces. It's got a cracker gun on it as well to make you look manly. Plus, we're going to help you speed up and tidy up your process. Instead of coming on site and making a mess all over your customer's floor or on your workshop floor, now all you need to do is grab the trigger, stick it in the tank, and decant your diesel. For once, my friend, you are going to be a dignified operator. Give us a shout as soon as you can, because right now we're running a killer deal. We're clearing stock, 25% off. Today is the day. Don't wait, they're going to be gone by tomorrow.